Hey Cardinals, this video is going to show you how to sign up for Google Classroom for all of your classes. So first, you are going to go to classroom.google.com. So your screen will look the same up here. Obviously you, at this point, will not have any classes listed. So I am going to go to, in this case, I'm joining Mr. Goulart's 5th period English 1 class. This is information in a syllabus. I'm going to take the Google Classroom code for period 5, copy that. I'm going to go back to Google Classroom, click the plus, create or join a class. I'm going to click join. Paste it, so you can either copy and paste or type the class code here. I'm going to click join. And now I am in Mr. Goulart's 5th period class.